Ito, ang aming bagong pamilya. Kasama sa mga gala, saya, food trip, at adventure. This is Philip Ray and his wife, cooking family, at ako, in adventure. Tara!
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River.
Magtatanong lang tayo ngayon ng direction dito para sa kung may daan ba dito papasok. So,
saan yung venue merong beach?
Tingnan natin kung anong lugar ang mapupuntahan natin ngayong araw. Okay, so dito tayo ngayon sa looban. And ayan, last store dito na bibilihan namin ng amenities or kailangan namin. So magluluto uli ang cooking and kami meron kaming mga dala na konti lang. So tingnan natin mamaya ang ating pagsasaluhan with Lucy. And so, anong tingin mo sa adventure natin ngayon?
Good luck.
Good luck sa pagbabalik.
Driving down the east dusty roads underneath the Texas sky so cold. Pick up truck and my old guitar, strumming tunes neath the evening star. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand. Guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. Fields of gold and corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky. Cowboys
So yun guys, welcome sa panibagong video ng Cooking.
White Carabao! What is Cordole is? Okay guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Bakungan sa liblib na lugar. Hindi yan ito alam. And first time din natin ito mapunta dito. And ayan, all goods. Maganda yung ilog, my place, and ayun, malilim. So, goods. Because dishes the world. We gonna grill this dish.
Very hard to catch.
Hindi mo hinugasan.
You need to far away ocean before you catch that.
Much difficult na pag inugasan pa.
Campfires glow in this country life I know. Back roads and sunsets where my soul finds rest. The golden corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky. Cowboys riding, hats held high as the moon starts to rise. Back roads and sunsets where my soul finds rest.
Please, Jan.
Back roads and
Oy!
sunsets.
Oy! Oy!
Bigay mo ko yung mga
Back roads and sunsets.
Other pose, 1, 2, 3. Walkie! Jump shot!